The app that we are going to be building today is a recipe finder app. So basically, if you are hungry and you don't know what to cook in your house, this application could help you a lot because you can find a lot of recipes with the ingredients that you have available in your house. And what we have here is the heading, as you see here, recipe finder app. Then we have a search bar here where we will be looking for a recipe, and then the button of search. So for example, if I want to look for recipes that have the ingredient of chicken, let's put chicken here, and then we can click on search or type enter. And as you see, we'll be showing a loader over there at the time of fetching for the recipes that has a chicken. And as you see here, you will get like a result with different matches about different recipes where the chicken is included. So for example, you see we have like different cars. All these cars, when I hover with the cursor, you see that they have like some kind of escalation, and the image escalates a little bit, and it has some beautiful transitions. So you see that the movement is completely smooth. If I click in one of the recipes, this will be opening a modal, as you see here, where it will be showing more details about the recipe that we want to see. So as you see, we have the name of the recipe here. Then we have the image of the recipe that we have previously on the card. And then we have here the different instructions that we need to follow in order to complete the recipe. Each step is divided on different boxes, as you see here. And we have also some um, box shadow and transition, as well as some elevation with transfer. So as you see, it looks like really beautiful because we are using this property of CSS of transition. So in this way, we can make these movements really smooth, and they don't feel like they are all of the sudden and they are not that strong. So and for the last, if you want to close the model, you just click here on the cross sign, and that will be closing the model. So this is all the app. Hope that you like it because we are about to start on the coding session.